Could red light therapy give you the pain relief that you are looking for? Seems a little bit crazy. You're going to shine a light on your body that is somehow going to make your pain magically disappear. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining how red light therapy works for pain relief, and I'm also going to show you some of the results from the clinical studies where they've used red light therapy to help people in pain. Now, the first thing to get covered is obviously how red light therapy works. And what red light therapy does is it increases cellular energy by targeting the mitochondria. These are the powerhouses within your cells. Now, when your cells have more energy, they can reduce inflammation and they can also stimulate tissue repair. Red light therapy also stimulates the release of endorphins, which are the natural painkillers of your body. You don't have to be popping some pills, paracetamols, things like that have negative side effects. Your body can do this endogenously, and red light therapy helps your body to do that naturally. I also want to show you some studies. Red light therapy has been used for things like joint pain and neuropathy. So I'm going to show you two quick studies and the results people got with red light therapy. So the first study is titled Improvement of Pain and Disability in Elderly Patients with Degenerative Osteoarthritis of the Knee Treated with Narrowband Light Therapy. And what they did in this study is they had over 50 participants and they had half of them applying red light therapy to their knee twice per day. And the other group, they had a fake light. So they were the placebo group. They thought they were getting the treatment, but they weren't really getting red light therapy. And what they found is at the end of just 10 days, there was more than a 50% decrease in pain in the red light therapy group, whereas the group that received the fake light didn't have any pain reduction. Now, obviously, if you want to do twice a day, every single day, you're probably not going to want to go to a spa, but with a home device, you could get results like this. Now, the second study that we're going to be covering is on neuropathy, and this study was titled Effect of Near-Infrared Light Emitting Diodes on Nerve Regeneration. And what they did in this study is they isolated the nerve cells and then they treated half of them with red light therapy. And they found that after just 7 days of daily exposure, the nerve cells which were treated with red light therapy had increased antioxidants and an increase in nerve regeneration. With neuropathy, obviously that can cause a range of symptoms from pain to numbness and tingling. But if you have something that is helping the nerve health in those areas, then that's going to drastically help you to reduce the symptoms that you experience with neuropathy. Now, before you decide to go and get yourself a red light therapy device, I also think it's important that you actually see results from real people that are using red light therapy. So I'm just going to show you two quick testimonials that I have. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so that you can go and check out the full testimonial range for the mitochondria products. But there's two that I just want to quickly read to you here. The first was from Jessie, and I won't read the whole thing, but you can read it on your screen now. But she said, "I'm hooked. I first tried it on an aching shoulder and felt immediate relief. I've continued that treatment almost every night before bed, and now I'm feeling like I can go back to swimming my 2,500 meter workout after only 2 weeks of having that tendonitis flare." So that was obviously an immediate result, but then I've also got one here from Enrico. And Enrico says, "I've been using my device for more than a year. I suffered from lower back pain for a long time and have tried a lot of treatments for the pain. I had some pain during my workouts, even doing simple things. I've heard about the benefits of red light therapy from Nick on Instagram and decided to give it a try. Nick has been very supportive, thank you, and helped me a lot. After 6 months of consistent exposure to red light, the pain on my lower back has gone." And then he carries on to say, "Spending the hard-earned money with the device is one of the best things he ever did." And this is not an uncommon, or these two testimonials are not uncommon. If you click the link on the video, the description of this video, it's going to take you to that full page. And I can tell you that every single day I work with someone that is using one of the mitochondria products to relieve their pain, and they're completely surprised that something as simple as shining a light on your body can improve your pain symptoms. Now, there's also 4 things that people do wrong when using any red light therapy device, be that a mitochondria product or any other one. So what I'm going to do is I'll link to that specific video above this, so you'll be able to click there, and then that'll take you to a video where I explain the 4 mistakes that people make with any red light therapy device, so you can make sure that you don't make any of those mistakes. If you have any questions, you're welcome to drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, I hope that you have a great day further, and we'll chat again soon. Cheers.